Hello everyone, welcome back to avijitp-tech. Today, we will learn how to create a cinematic presentation in PowerPoint. Start with a blank slide. Set the background color to black. Insert the image you want to use as the background. Scale it so that the slide covers about 1/4 of the image. Format the image. Reduce the brightness to the minimum and slightly increase the transparency. Add more images if needed. Insert the text and set its color to white. Use the font Felix titling to match the presentation. Add more text as required. Duplicate the slide. On the first slide, move the images as shown in the video. Apply the morph transition to this slide. Now add another text to the same slide. Duplicate it to create a third slide. Move and position the images and text as shown. Adjust the background image to give it a cinematic look. Next, I will use AI to generate content. I asked ChatGPT to write about milestones in ancient India, which I will use in my presentation. Insert a new slide. Set the background to black and add the text generated by AI. Position the text as needed. To create a timeline, insert a circle shape and set the fill color to white. Add a white line as shown. Insert the background image, format it, and reduce the brightness to the lowest value. Go to soft edges and increase the value to around 70. Apply the zoom transition to this slide. Duplicate the fourth slide to create a fifth slide. Move the text so that the bottom text moves from left to right. Let the timeline and dates move from right to left. Ensure the text and image positions are correct for a smooth transition. Copy the circle and move the line as shown. Fix the positions of all elements to maintain smooth transitions. Add a transition effect to the background images as well. Ensure the pictures on consecutive slides have the same formatting, or the transition won't work. Add and position the pictures as shown in the video. I have only made few slides for this video to keep it short, but you can add as many as you need. Once done, export the presentation as a video. After exporting, you can add voiceover and music to make it more engaging. The video has been exported successfully. Let's check the final output. Thank you for watching my video. Please subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon. See you in the next video.